I would like to start with a thanks to Dr. C.J. Roy of Confident Group and VP Nandakumar sir of Manappuram for giving me such a wonderful opportunity for doing Miss South India 2016.
Well, I know you guys are very much excited to know about what happened in day 3. Our day 3 session started off with the introduction session by Miss Valentina, where all the contestants were supposed to say the introduction that we had to prepare, and it was a very really good experience because we could actually gain so much confidence before going on to the main stage, that is on January 9th, the grand finale.
We had to prepare and present the self-introduction for the finale, in which Valentina ma'am has helped us a lot.
Taught us how to be confident on the finale day, and we really made some of the mistakes where she taught how not to do and how to be confident on the stage.
Self-introduction is very important for us to perform on the finale day because that is the first round which takes us to the second round.
So introduction session is basically how we introduce ourselves for the very first time in front of the judges. So we had a lot of suggestions from Miss Valentina and Ajit sir. So on trying to make the best impression possible, because that's the first time we are introduced. So that was a very important session, I would say.
The day went on very well. On the first session, we had a session with Dr. Asha.
By 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, we had an amazing session by Dr. Asha, which was the skin specializing session, where she told us so many things, so many remedies on how to take care of your skin, or what are the different types of skin. That was also very much informative.
She told us to drink a lot of water, keep us hydrated, be happy, and your skin is going to glow anyway. She told us what food we should have as to keep our skin always nourished and nourished. We were really happy to have that session. She was also judging us for the beautiful skin.
Taught us how to take care of our skin, our health, or get into makeup, everything.
She analyzed our skin for that subtitle, Miss Beautiful Skin.
She helped us understand our skin type in greater depth and suggested the use of products that would really help us take care of our skin in a better way.
We met our very famous cosmetologist. She used to do her reference nationally and internationally. She is Dr. Asha. She gave us so many tips how to get a normal as well as a beautiful skin, and also she just checked our skin for the subtitle Miss Beautiful Skin.
I shared all our experiences with her, how she was trained, how she was nervous about it, and she made us feel better about it.
We were informed about what to use, when to use, how to use.
She gave a brief description about how to take care of her skin and what all should be done being a model to maintain a good skin and texture.
Also there was an assessment of individual contestants' skin. If we had healthy skin, or she also addressed our problems. So, and this will also go into the subtitles of Miss Beautiful Skin. So, really eagerly waiting to see the results.
We went on to an interaction with the last year's winners. That was Alina. Alina shared her experience till now because she had done a lot of pageants other than that. She had told girls how, given the tips, everything.
We had the most amazing session. That was a total surprise by the Pegasus and Ajit sir, that we could meet the winner of Miss South India 2015, that is Alina Catherine Amin. Well, I have to say that she's a very friendly person, and she definitely helps us to grow also. And we had a much interesting interactive session where all the contestants had asked so many questions and then she just replied spontaneously, and that was a boosting session for us, all the contestants.
She gave us so many tips how to be on stage, and also she just she just talked about the adrenaline rush, which really pushed our adrenaline. I might say like not we pushed adrenaline, we just triggered out with the adrenaline rush.
We got a lot of tips about the beauty pageants, and we got to know what is beauty pageant from her.
It was a very interactive session, very down to earth person. Her personality was really good that we all asked so much question which was like deep under the bottom of our heart. She was so patient enough in answering all of us silly questions too. And one thing which actually attracted me more was she has been in a lot of pageants, but even though she wasn't able to make in 1 or 2 pageants, but still she was trying into a lot of pageants. She went into Miss Diva, Miss World and all. So that one thing gave me the idea that never give up. She was really inspiring, I'm telling you. She told us how she experienced the pageant really well and how she was happy all throughout and how she had the zest to win and how she outperformed everyone by keeping the zest throughout the pageant, throughout the training, and she ultimately won. It was really nice to share the experience with her. For all the contestants, they were all inspired by her. She inspired us all. She gave us all the tips how to ace the contest, and she also has given her experience with Pegasus and everything. And she's really very happy, and she really pepped up us and boosted our confidence. And she shared a lot of things, and she asked us questions, and she told everything we wanted to know. She really helped us go through her experience step by step, how she felt and how she is planning to pursue modeling in future as a career, and how Miss South India as a platform has really helped us strengthen up.
It was like a dream come true to meet a beauty queen herself. She made us understand how not to get nervous on the ramp, how to put out our best and be ourselves most importantly, and that would automatically make us win or excel in the beauty pageant. It's more about learning than about winning. That's what she taught us.
After that, we had a wonderful session with House Joy. House Joy, they had taken 2 subtitle judging also. House Joy ladies had taught them how to do the makeup, how to prepare themselves for the pageant and all.
The day ended up with the session of House Joy, where it was all about the makeup and also the hair. Well, they also updated us with how to make up, how to do the daily makeup, how to protect your hair, how to protect your skin, and what are the things that you have to take care as a model.
Those people take classes regarding the makeup, because we used to do terrible makeup before, but they just gave us so many tips how to do our beautiful as well as our normal makeup. And also they just checked our hair as well as their eyes for the subtitle Miss Beautiful Eyes and Miss Beautiful Hair.
They analyzed and they gave us a class on skin as well as the hairstyling, which helped us a lot. They taught us how makeup is being done, and that was really wonderful.
House of Joy is basically professionals of hair and makeup. So they gave us live demonstrations of how exactly to do modeling kind of makeup and hairstyles. So that again was a very important thing, because that is what we need on the main day.
Hair, they gave us basics of how to shampoo our hair till how to style it. And makeup, we had how to look, produce different kinds of looks like photo shoots, basic day-to-day look, etc.
I realized I had been doing my contouring and makeup all wrong all this time. Anyways, they corrected us and it was a really beneficial session.
The third day went on very well. I think that all the girls are happy also. I'm being in touch with them in between gaps. As I always say, that we ensure that they are not free. They are tying up with other things, other activities, like in between that Valentina will be taking care by the penning down, the question answer round and all. So it was done very class.
All these lessons, they are not only useful for pageants, but we can use it in our day-to-day lives, and these are all the lessons we'll all take back home.
I would definitely want to thank Ajit sir and Valentina ma'am for their to support each and every minute whenever we need it.
All the sessions are helping us a lot to groom ourselves for the finale. I'm really having a very good time in Miss South India.
Overall, I can say day 3 really went very well, which I really liked, and hopefully I'll participate confidently on the finale day. It was a very informative day and we had a lot of fun.
Happy to be a part of this Pegasus family. I take this opportunity to thank Perfume Monday Confident Group Miss South India 2016 by Pegasus Event Makers for rendering all of us such a wonderful opportunity.
I'm telling you girls, this kind of pageants, this kind of grooming, especially the Pegasus grooming that they give you, is gonna be highly beneficial. You don't have to be scared of anything. I want to become a role model to all of you guys. Come and join in. You will increase your confidence, boost your confidence, and turn out to be a better person after the grooming. Love you girls. Mwah.